Oh my god. Our camera might have had a little too much adventure on the hills, but we're rolling with it. Hey, my name is Petra, I'm a Hungarian living in Budapest, and in today's video we're going on not one, but two adventures around the Hungarian countryside. When you think of Hungary, the first thing that comes to your mind is probably the busy streets and the beautiful architecture of Budapest, but today we're taking you off the beaten path to explore the hidden gems of the Hungarian countryside. So grab your helmets and let's go on this adventure. First we start smooth, so the first adventure brings us into the middle of the Great Plain, in Hungarian the Alföld. Hello everyone! Today we're near at my hometown and we're going on a bike tour. We're in the middle of the Great Plain actually, and I'm going to show you how normal Hungarian villages look like. This whole bike ride is going to be like 30 kilometers, like 15 there and 15 back, so it's gonna be fun. Let's go! Stop. Beautiful. One of the best ways to explore the Hungarian Great Plain is definitely by bikes. The flat terrain is perfect for a relaxing ride. And what makes it even more unique is that for miles or for kilometers you won't meet another single soul. It's just you and the endless horizon. Was our destination actually. In the middle of the Great Plain you will find many small villages, and that experience will show you the duality of Hungary. That's especially why I wanted to make this video, to show you that Hungary is so interesting even if you're in the middle of nowhere. Look at that! Our precious Thorpe.
Not that much, it just looks smart.
we spent some time next to the river Körös, it was time to go back. Alright, we've seen the endless land of the Alföld. Now let's move on and see another side of Hungary, the hills and valleys of the Zselic. Turns out, strapping my phone to my bike without any stabilization leads to some interesting and hard to enjoy results. But don't worry, I will show you the beauty of the Zselic anyway, with a little bit of laughter and maybe a touch of motion sickness. Hello everyone, today we are next to Kaposvár at the Lake Deseda. If you're not familiar with this lake, then I made a video back then and I will leave something here, the link. And we're going to go on a bike tour, 30 kilometers to go there and back 30 kilometers again. I don't know if we're prepared for this. We never actually biked before that long, so it's gonna be an amazing tour. Anything can happen and you will follow along. Let's go! We made it to the other half of Kaposvár.
Yes.
How do you feel?
Getting warmed up.
Whoa, big words. Big last words. After we left Kaposvár, we had to bike on the road, which was totally fine. Now this was the okay part of the ride. Being a girl from the Great Plain, I never biked on hills bigger than 2 meters tall, so when I saw this, I was sure that this is the place where I'm going to die. Yippee! Yoo-hoo! Jesus! Oh my god! Jesus, it's terrifying! Woo! But I survived! Yay! That's where I come from.
It was amazing.
It was amazing, but
It
terrifying.
was like fully grown around by trees.
Yeah. And there is a little lake.
Jewelry box of Somogy County.
We arrived to this little village called Zselic that has a population of 430 people. Here we stopped for a quick drink and we hopped on our bikes again. Time to get back some electrolytes, some energy. We're going to put one to each. Honestly, I don't know what to say anymore. Then we arrived to the next village, Zselic, where also a little less than 500 people lives. We stopped for our lunch and then we continued our journey. That's like... I had a little problem with the brakes. After we turned onto the bike lane, the view became absolutely stunning.
It's beautiful.
I couldn't believe how people not talk about places like this. I was just blown away by the hills and the valleys, and swear to God, the green is greener than anywhere else. Oh my God. Jesus. Whee! Then we arrived to Simonfa, another little village with 360 people, where we bumped into a nice pond and we moved forward. Now, this is the place where the fun really started to begin. We're at Simonfa. Simon Tree. Yes, only 3 kilometers left. And here's another nice pond.
But you can't swim in it.
You can't swim in it.
It's forbidden and life-threatening.
Shut up. We're definitely not going to make this. We just can't. We won't. Maybe you don't see it. That's... We started there. We started there. Was it a good idea to go for a 50-kilometer ride as complete beginners on shitty bikes on big hills? Any guesses? Our end goal was to reach Bőszénfal, which is 25 kilometers away from Kaposvár, and then turn back and go on the same road. A little before Bőszénfal, we weren't completely sure if we will manage this ride, to be completely honest. The problem was that even if it was a Saturday, when in Hungary most shops are open, we haven't found any. We ran out of water, snacks and everything, so we really needed to get some energy from something, and the next open shop was in Bőszénfal. So we had to go forward and reach our end goal, even if we were completely destroyed. So finally we had some luck, we had some ice cream, snacks, drinks, and we headed back to Kaposvár. Dying. Help me. So that was it. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more Hungary and Budapest related content, and see you in the next one. Bye!